Welcome to the next video on VAP. In this video we are going to talk about engineers and environment, the changing perspective over the time, and we will be covering the various code of ethics. So let us start. After going through this video you will be able to define environment and ecosystem, explain the relationship between ecosystem and engineering, explain the American Society of Civil Engineers ASCE Code of Ethics, explain the duties towards environmental ethics engineers as experimenters have. So what are the duties as an experimenter towards environmental ethics? Describe IEEE Code of Ethics, explain ASME, that is American Society of Mechanical Engineers Code of Ethics of Engineers. So what are these code of ethics, how environment and ecosystem is related with engineering, all those things are going to be covered in this video. So let us start. Environment. Before 1970 the environment simply denoted the surroundings and the assemblage of the things nearby. So all things around us is going to be denoted as environment. But today it is a complex mix of combination of factors that are external to organisms and influence their living in any capacity. Additionally, the challenges like human growth, population, global warming, depletion of natural resources, and overuse of resources is making it further complex. Ecosystem. An ecosystem is a group of organisms that interact with each other and with their physical environment in ways that affect the population of those organisms. So this is called ecosystem. Why we are concerned with ecosystem and engineering? Simply because the technology, in case the technology messes up with the environment, it can affect the health of many breeds that are coexisting in the environment. So technology can be responsible for the health of many breeds. Thus a need arises for the environmental ethics, which denotes, so what exactly environmental ethics is: the study of moral issues concerning the environment and moral perspectives, beliefs and attitudes concerning those issues. We will be discussing environmental ethics in later on videos. So today's emphasis is why ecosystem and engineering are important and interrelated. Now engineers have to design eco-friendly tools, machines, sustainable products, processes and projects to ensure protection, safety of environment, prevent the degradation of environment and slow down the exploitation of the natural resources so that future generation can survive. And this is the basic concept of sustainability as discussed earlier. Now the American Society of Civil Engineers Code of Ethics. What exactly it says? Engineers shall hold paramount the safety, health and the welfare of the public and shall strive to comply with the principles of sustainable development in the performance of professional duties. This we have discussed earlier also, why ethics is important for engineers. So safety, health and welfare of public hold paramount. The term sustainable development emphasizes on the investment, orientation of technology, development and functioning of organizations to meet the present needs of people and at the same time ensuring the future generation to meet their needs. Engineers as experimenters have certain duties towards environmental ethics. What are these? Number one is environmental impact assessment. One major but sure and unintended effect of technology is what? Wastage and the resulting pollution of land, water, air and even space. Environmental impact assessment study how the industry and technology affect the environment. Second one is establish standards. study and to fix the tolerable and actual pollution levels. Countermeasures, study what the protective or eliminating measures are available for immediate implementation. Environmental awareness, study on how to educate the people on environmental practices, issues and possible remedies. IEEE Code of Ethics source is this web page. You can refer to this web page to know more about the Code of Ethics by IEEE. We, the members of IEEE, in recognition of the importance of technology in affecting the quality of life throughout the world and in accepting a personal obligation to our profession, its members, and the communities we serve, do hereby commit ourselves to the highest ethical and professional conduct and agree. Number one is to hold paramount the safety, health, and the welfare of the public, to strive to comply with ethical design and sustainable development practices, and to disclose promptly factors that might endanger the public or the environment. So, paramount is what? Safety, health, and welfare of the public. To avoid real or perceived conflicts of interest whenever possible, and to disclose them to affected parties when they do exist. We have already discussed about conflict of interest. Third one is the ethics is to be honest and realistic in stating claims or estimates based on available data. Fourth, to reject bribery in all its forms. Fifth, to improve the understanding by individuals and society of the capabilities and societal implications of conventional and emerging technologies, including intelligent systems. Next one is to maintain and improve our technical competence and to undertake technological tasks for others only if qualified by training or experience, or after full disclosure of pertinent limitations. Seventh is to seek, accept, and offer honest criticism of technical work, to acknowledge and correct errors, and to credit properly the contributions of others. To treat fairly all persons and to not engage in acts of discrimination based on race, religion, gender, disability, age, national origin, sexual orientation, gender identity, or gender expression. To avoid injuring others, their property, reputation, or employment by false or malicious action. Last one, to assist colleagues and co-workers in their professional development and to support them in following this code of ethics. So basically what IEEE code of ethics is focusing is the safety, welfare and health should be the paramount, and next is being honest in your duties. Do not discriminate on any basis. Promote others, colleagues and co-workers so that they can follow this code of ethics. So these are mainly points of IEEE code of ethics. ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineers Code of Ethics of Engineers. You can refer this web page for the complete description of this code of ethics. There are three fundamental principles. Number one, the engineers uphold and advance the integrity, honor and dignity of the engineering professions by what are the principles? Using their knowledge and skill for the enhancement of human welfare. Number two, being honest and impartial and serving with the fidelity the public, their employers and the clients. And number three is striving to increase the competence and prestige of the engineering profession. Now what are the fundamental canons of ASME Code of Ethics? Engineers shall hold paramount the safety, health and welfare of the public in the performance of their professional duties. So you can see all the code of ethics are making this paramount, the safety, health and welfare of the public while performing their professional duties. Engineers shall perform services only in areas of their competence, not in all areas. Engineers shall continue their professional development throughout their career and shall provide opportunity for the professional development of those engineers under their supervision. So they have to be excellent in their career and they have to promote their subordinates also. Engineers shall act in professional matters for each employer or client as faithful agents or trustees and shall avoid conflict of interest. Next, engineers shall build their professional reputation on the merit of their services and shall not compete unfairly with others like dishonesty, bribery, and all those things. So they have to be on their performing their own merit. Engineers shall associate only with reputable persons or organizations. Engineers shall issue public statement only in an objective and truthful manner. So these are the references. Thank you for watching this video.